The other day, Bobby Dwayne was a-telling me how we's a-canna go about making these here windows bigger, and then make 'em littler, and then make 'em where they's a plumb gone. So watch this right here. Firstin', we's a-gonna punch right here on this here 4 little windows looking doohickey right here, like this right here, and then we's a-gonna punch right here on this here calculation looking doohickey, like this right here. Now looky here. That there doggone calculation looking doohickey application done opened up on this here doggone computer monitor screen like this right here, and that there calculation icon doohickey is a showing up right here on this here doggone task K bar right here. Now watch this right here. If we's a go to punching right here on this here alphabet looking doohickey, what's a X right here like this right here, it's a gonna close this here doggone window. And that there doggone icon is a plumb gone from that there dadgum task K bar. So's we's gonna open up that there doggone calculation doohickey up again. So's we's needing to punch right here on this here 4 little windows looking doohickey again. And then we's needing to punch on that there calculation icon doohickey like this right here again. And there's that there doggone calculation icon doohickey again right here. And if we's a punch on that there doggone calculation icon with our doggone middle finger, we's a can of punch on that there what's a saying pinned to the doggone task K bar like this right here. And we's a telling this here doggone computer to leave that there doggone calculation icon doohickey right here like this right here. Okay? Now watch this right here. If we's a go to punching on this here alphabet X looking doohickey again, it's a gonna close this here window, but that there doggone calculation icon doohickey is a still on that there task K bar right there, cause we's a done pinned it. So we's a gonna punch right here on this here calculation icon doohickey right here on this here task K bar again. And now looky here, that there doggone window's done to open back up in the exact same place it was before we done closed it the last time. And now we's needing to punch right here on this here little window looking doohickey right here. And looky here, that there doggone window's covering the whole entire dadgum computer monitor screen. And now looky here at this here doggone icon right here. It's a got a doggone blue line doohickey down under it, and it's all lit up. That there's a meaning that their application is the one what's it called the active application. And if we's a go to punching right here on this here googly icon on this here dadgum task K bar, that doggone calculation icon doohickey is still opened up, cause it's a still got that there doggone blue line doohickey down under it like that right there. But now, the doggone googly window is a dadgum active application, cause it's the one what's all lit up like that right there. So we's gonna punch right here on this here alphabet X looking doohickey and close this here internet's window. And now watch this right here. We's gonna close this here calculation window again, and we's gonna punch right here on this here calculation icon doohickey and open that there window again. And now looky here. It's a covering the entire dadgum computer monitor screen again, cause that's the way it was before we done closed it before. Okay? And now looky here. This here little window doohickey done turned into 2 little windows looking doohickey was done stacked on top of one another. Now watch this right here. We's gonna punch right here on this here 2 little windows looking doohickey. And looky here. That there doggone window done went back to how it was before we punched on that there little window looking doohickey and made it bigger. And if we's a go to punching right here on this here itty bitty squash looking doohickey right here, it's a making that there window plumb go away. But if we's a go to peeking down here at this here doggone task K bar, it's a still got that there blue line doohickey down under that there doggone icon doohickey. What's a meaning that their application is still opened up. And Bobby Dwayne learnt me that any of them there doggone windows is gonna be opening back up in the same exact doggone spot, and it's gonna be the exact same doggone size it was before we done punched on that there little squash looking doohickey like that right there. Now watch this right here. If we's go to punching on this here little squash looking doohickey, that there doggone window's plumb gone. And if and we's a go to punching right here on this here calculation icorn doohickey right here on the doggone taskay bar, it's a gonna put that there doggone winder back like it was before we done punched on that there little squash looking doohickey. And Bobby Dwayne was a telling me that them there doggone winders is always a gonna be a opening back up in the same exact spot, and it's always a gonna be the same exact size it was before we done punched on that there little squash looking doohickey. Or if and we's a go to closing the doggone application, they's always a gonna be a opening back up in the exact same spot and the exact same size that they was before we done closed them. So watch this right here. If and we's to go to punching right here on this here little winder looking doohickey and make this here little winder cover the entire dadgum computer monitor screen like this right here, and then we's to go to punching on this here little alphabet X looking doohickey and close that there winder, and then we's to go to punching right here on this here calculator icorn doohickey on the doggone taskay bar and open that there winder back up like this right here. That there winders are going to be the same exact dadgum size, and it's going to be in the same exact dadgum place it was before we done closed it. Now looky here. If and we's to go to punching on these here two little winders looking doohickeys what's a stacked on top of one another like this right here, and then we's to go to punching on that there little alphabet X looking doohickey and close that there doggone winder, and then we's to go to punching on that there calculator icorn doohickey on the doggone taskay bar, that there winders are going to be opening back up just like it was before we done closed it. Okay?